Hey guys, so I've got a box here. I'm gonna do an unboxing video. This box is from Doug Sutton in Texas, and Doug sells root beer Chert, and he's got different grades of it. This is all gonna be grade A. I even paid him a little bit extra for some good stuff, so check it out. This stuff, I've been wanting to nap this ever since I first started napping. Been wanting to get into some of this. I had some of the banded root beer. But I think, yeah. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Woo-wee. There she be. I feel like a gold miner that just struck gold. Treasure hunter just opened up a treasure chest. Oh my gosh, look at this stuff. Holy moly. Look at these little sweet little tabs. Oh my gosh. Oops. Let's get down in here and check them out. Man, look at this stuff. That is just gorgeous. Translucent. Wow. Man, these are like perfect size too. Look at that sweet little cake. This is like my dream material to nap is Knife River. You know, that stuff is one of them that I haven't napped yet, and this is like comparable to that, you know, for me. I think it looks a lot like it. I think some people call it poor man's Knife River. That's nice. There's a little bit larger one there. Oh, wow. Look at that. He did stick some nice ones in here. Some bigger ones anyways. They're all nice. And talk about packing a box full, buddy. Doug, I sure appreciate it, man. This is excellent. Just excellent. Look at that. Good job on cleaning these things up and testing them too, Doug. I can tell he did this before. Look at that one. Woo! Man, oh man. Had some fun with that. Oh man. Some really nice stuff in here. Grade A doesn't even say. Look at that one. Man, oh man. Some beautiful stuff. So you guys look up Doug Sutton. I found him on Facebook. I think he made a post in the Art of Flint Napping page. I'm on there a lot, so you can find him that way, like I did, I guess. Doug Sutton, S-U-T-T-O-N. He's down in Texas. I think he's finding this stuff in farmers' plowed fields. You know, he goes out and picks them up out of the fields for the farmers, and they're just little nuggets of beautifulness. So. Okay, guys, figured I'd make some people jealous. I'll see y'all on the next one. Thanks for watching.